welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing the unboxing of a Casio watch. This is not a G-Shock, this is a normal digital Casio watch, but this is quite good and I'll tell you why. So the usual normal packaging, black box, and this is the AE-1500 WH model. This is the black negative display, and yeah, we'll see the actual item in a few minutes. So DE219, okay. The MRP of this is listed 2,495, but I got this for around 1,800 rupees. I'll put the link of that below from Amazon. You can buy it from there. Right, let's just go ahead and unbox it. This is, I think this is not from the youth series, but this is a normal one. Okay, let me bring out the watch. This is actually very similar to, it looks quite like a G-Shock, but it's not actually a G-Shock. So the module number 23502. Okay, a lot of things here. Let's not go into that. How to adjust your time, etc, etc. The MRP, yeah, of course, the card, 2 years, 2 years warranty. Okay, and this actually has 10 years of battery life. Okay, and let me show you the actual watch itself. Quite nice. So this is not the black one, this is the gray one. As you can see, this totally looks like a G-Shock, and this is the one negative display. Yeah, what I was saying is, this is one of the Casio digital watches, which actually you can see there is a blue tint here, and which has this one of the biggest displays I have seen. Very nice, and this is quite heavy. This actually feels like a G-Shock. And let's check. This is the light, and you can see like there is a very high blue tint in the screen. I was not expecting it to be this blue, but it actually looks nice. We have the day functionality. It shows Thursday, the date 10, the month 7. So as you can see here, it is counting down the seconds. I think this is just cosmetic. There is no actual like measurement or something like that. This looks good. So, and the time, very big letters some of the time. I like that. And this is the second, the bottom of the screen. Illuminator, 10 years of battery life. That's quite nice. Illuminator I just showed you. Let me just. So these are not like the backlight illumination. Earlier they used to use the EL display. Electroluminescent. This is not electroluminescent. This is LEDs. There are two. As you can see, there is one bulb here and one bulb here. So both of the bulbs illuminate this the screen. So the EL displays, they used to go bad over time. So that's why Casio switched to these LEDs. This is battery efficient and this lasts longer. So that's one good thing. Okay, so this button is for the adjust. This is the mode. So yeah, nice beep. So with this mode, you can adjust your times with that. I'm really digging this blue theme that is going on here. So here this reading in the blue. Alarm chronograph is written on the screen in blue. Alarm 123, Casio water resistant. This is 100-meter water resistant. That's nice. 10 years of battery. Okay, start stop. This is the and quite comfortable. Resin and a little bit hard in fact, but this is fine. Okay, and on the back side, Casio, this is the model number here, AE-1500 WH, and this is made in China. One thing you have to be careful about is, this is not a mineral crystal, this is a resin crystal, so this will scratch easily, so you have to take care of that. So this is how it looks on my wrist. Quite nice. The buckle is plastic, it's not metal. And yeah, this is the negative display as I just mentioned, but there are other variants available for this. One is the green one, and there's another one totally black. There are two black variants, and that has positive display, so the visibility of that is a little bit clearer. I'm really looking forward to that. This almost feels like a G-Shock, but without breaking the bank. In fact, I'm wearing one of the G-Shocks. This is the original one. This is the first G-Shock, in fact, the first model based on that. This is GW5600, and I would say this one looks tougher than that. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. So quite nice. I am looking forward to using this one. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.